faithfully. You made it feel brand new after the fires that we've walked through. Against the odds we never